What? What just happened?
Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be trading on Olymp trade platform. Lots of you have been asking me to record my best strategy on this platform, so the moment has come. And today, for all the people using this platform, I'll show you two indicators that give you just incredible signals when combined. It's one of my favorite strategies, most favorite ones that gave me some brilliant results lately. So be sure to watch this video till the end so you can learn how to make money on trading on the strategy. So right after watching this video, you'll be able to try this strategy on practice. So let's briefly analyze the features of the strategy. We have two indicators, and let me remove them so we can add them again. This is how the platform looks originally. We set Japan candles, it's important, and we always set the time frame 1 minute or 10 minutes or in 1 hour. Doesn't matter. What matters is the time of the candle and the time of one deal are the same. So if the time of the deal is 10 minutes, then the time of one candle must be 10 minutes as well. So I hope it's all clear, and then we go to instruments. Okay, right here, add a Bollinger Band indicator at first. We'll look at for it right here and set the inputs 22 and 2. Yes, that's it. We applied the indicator, and then we need RSI indicator. You can find it in oscillator. It's the second line, and here it is, the RSI indicator with 14 is a period, and the inputs are classic. So we added the indicator, and let me teach you how to use it. So guys, we opened the first currency pair we came across, and what do we see here? Here is the Bollinger Band indicator at the top of the chart, so it's Bollinger channel, and we see that the chart is constantly moving within this channel, so it's a dynamic channel that's been formed after the chart. So when the chart goes out of the upper channel's border, we're supposed to open a deal with down, as the chart always gets back to this channel. So when the chart either reaches the lower border or the channel goes out of it, we conversely open deals with higher and then wait for the chart to return to this channel. RSI is an indicator showing us oversold and overbought levels. While everything higher than 70% is an overbought chart, keep in mind that we don't trade with up on overbought chart, never. So when the market goes out of the upper channel's border, RSI must be near the upper line or reach out of it, so the deal is confirmed. And when the indicator is overbought, we open a deal with down. When it's conversely oversold, we open a deal with up. Because of an oversold indicator, we don't trade with down. It's really important, and this is a mistake a lot of people make, and this is why they lose their deposit. So a pretty good case now to open one deal with down on my strategy. Let's analyze it once more. Look, we have a Bollinger channel. At the moment it's expanded because of a strong impulse, but anyway, in this place the chart is touching the upper border, so we need to think of opening a deal with down. But we're opening a deal with down only when the RSI indicator is not oversold. So right now we see that it's near the 70% zone, and it means the deals with down in this case is appropriate. So we open a deal with down for 1 minute, and the candles are 1 minute ones as well, and let's wait. So it's just great, guys. The first deals closed in a profit, and the case was pretty obvious, so we're looking for some new currency pairs. Let's open one deal with down here, guys, and let's analyze the case. What do we see here? There's our Bollinger channel, and we rolled back from the lower border, reached the upper one. We were staying there for some little time near the upper border. There are some particular candles reaching out of the upper channel's border, green candles, but right now the react down we expected is happening. So after this reaction, or while it's happening, we open a deal with down. The RSI indicator shows us the chart is more overbought than oversold, so no contradictions here. We would not open a deal with down if the indicator would not have been oversold. It may happen, so keep it in mind. Now there's a good opportunity to open a deal to sell, and here it's being closed, and it's great. I'm waiting for the first fall of the chart, but only from the upper or lower border, so we're looking for some similar cases. So guys, we open a Bitcoin chart, and here's an illogical case, some strong impulses that were going out with the channel and getting back to it. Now it's similar, we have a strong green impulse getting out of the upper border. We see that the last time in some similar case the chart rolled back and went down to correction. And now I'm expecting for same correction either from here or a little higher. RSI is also on 60% mark, so it's fine. We open a deal with down. Guys, the first deal is unfortunately close to the loss because the second candle where we're betting on is a rising one. But after this growing candle, I opened 2 deals to catch up with down. I was waiting for some correction, and the correction happened, and 2 1-minute deals were closed in a profit just now. So now the chart is beyond the upper channel's border again, so let's wait for some clear confirmation that a direction down and the fall will happen, and after confirmation to open a deal with up. Now the case is unclear, okay, and the chart may go further up as well, but now a pin bar is being formed right in front of you. At the very top, it's a good chance to open a deal with down. So as the pin bars form, the chart is lowering. For those who do not know, pin bar is this candle with a big tail pointed up, which is being generated at the top or at the bottom. In this case, it was generated at the very top with the tail pointed up, and it means a reverse. So if there was an uptrend before that, then after that a downtrend will come. So even several factors worked out, and we opened another 1 deal successfully in a profit. We're gone. So here are some primitive cases. Well, it's a dollar index, and we see the price is moving within Bollinger channel. Okay, in this case it's a run of the lower border, and I'm waiting for the chart to roll back from the lower border to the channel zone again, in other words up. Let's open a deal with up, as we see an indicator is more oversold than overbought, so it's fine, and we open a deal. Some analogical case here, and it was the last times when the first deal was not closed in a profit. Unfortunately, it was really close, but not enough. As we see, the next candle is green, rising 1, and 2 deals opened to cover the expenses after the first loss deal. They were closed in a profit. So we had 3 deals in this series, 2 profitable and 1 losing, and in general situation is profitable. It's great. Here is some similar movement. The RSI indicator is very oversold. It's really close to the 30% zone, and we need to open a deal with up. We opened it right now because the chart is moving out of the lower Bollinger channel's border. So the deal was closed in a profit as a small rollback happens. And this candle should close the screen, and the chart is supposed to roll back and wait for its growth from the lower channel's border. Guys, there were a lot of deals today, and I hope that I managed to show you the point of my strategy, how it works, and thanks to what signals appear and how to earn thanks to those signals. So today we started deals on gold. Here's the first deal, which was closed in a profit. And we see that all the other ones are here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 profits and 2 losses. And I think it's just an awesome result, 4 profits for 1 loss, and it's 80% of win rate as the strategy showed today. It's just an awesome statistics, so be sure to try it and practice on your own. And I hope this video was both useful and interesting for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put your likes. The link to all the platforms I trade on is in the description, and also you can get 50 and more signals a day from me. It's easy to do that, and you just need to enter my Telegram channel following the link in the description and meet simple conditions, and then you'll be able to start getting signals absolutely for free for any platform. And that's it for today, but I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before I go, a quick reminder as always. So if you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading and binary options, I recommend you to watch this video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch this video right here. That's it. Bye.